In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your teacher's email on Google Classroom. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you can easily connect with your teacher when needed. It's important to note that for this, you must already have access to Google Classroom and the specific class you're trying to reach out to your teacher in. So let's jump right in. To start with, you'll need to open Google Classroom and log in with your Google account. This is the same account you use for all your Google services, and it's crucial because your access to the classroom is tied to it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to the Google Classroom interface. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of classes that you're currently enrolled in. Navigate to the class where you need to find your teacher's email, click on the class title, and this will take you into the class's dashboard where you can view all the relevant class information, announcements and materials your teacher has provided. Now in the class dashboard, look at the top. You'll see different tabs such as Stream, Classwork and People. What you want to do next is click on the People tab. This tab houses all the information related to the class participants, including your fellow classmates and, importantly, your teachers. Once you're in the People section, you will be presented with a list that clearly segments teachers from students. At this point, under the Teachers section, you'll see the name of your teacher, along with their email address right beside it. This is where Google Classroom makes it really convenient as it directly provides this information, allowing you to contact your teacher easily for any queries or assistance you may need. However, keep in mind that if the email doesn't show up, it could be due to privacy settings that your teacher or the institution has configured. In such cases, collaborating through Google Classroom's messaging features or reaching out via institutional contact methods would be advisable. So there you have it. You now know how to access your teacher's email on Google Classroom quickly and efficiently. Feel free to use this method whenever you need to reach out to your teacher for help with assignments, clarifications, or anything else regarding your coursework. It's always a good idea to stay connected and ensure you have a direct line of communication with your educators for a seamless learning experience. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. If you did, consider sharing this video with fellow classmates who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning.